Hey explorers! Ready to dive into the jungles of Indonesia and discover the king of flowers? Buckle up, because today we're meeting the Rafflesia Arnoldii, also known as the monster flower. It's not just big, it's huge. Imagine a flower so big that it can grow up to a meter wide and weigh as much as a large dog. That's right, this floral giant can tip the scales at 10 kilograms. But this flower isn't just famous for its size. It's also got a, well, unique smell. The Rafflesia emits a scent like rotting meat, which might sound yucky, but it's a clever way to attract pollinating insects like flies. And here's a weird fact, the Rafflesia is a bit of a freeloader. It doesn't grow like other plants. Nope, it's a parasite that lives off certain vines in the jungle, and it doesn't have leaves, roots, or even a stem. So, why should we care about this smelly, parasitic giant? Because it's a spectacular part of our planet's biodiversity and teaches us a lot about the complexity and wonders of nature. Isn't nature amazing? Let us know what you think in the comments below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and ring that bell for more awesome nature facts. Stay curious, friends!